My name is Joy Tushabe. I'm the Managing Director of Women in Coffee Initiative, and our brand name for our coffee is ISHEMA Coffee. In the coffee sector, processing coffee for the last 7 years. The purpose of working in the coffee sector was men were taken to be the owners of the coffee. And then I got an idea because I was working with NGOs, working with farmers. And when I said when I retire, I have to start my business whereby I will be supporting women also to be involved in coffee production, because I saw that a family which has coffee, the livelihood and the livelihood is better than those who do not have coffee, especially in local areas, in villages. Secondly, I wanted to work in rural areas where there are women who do not have access to other job opportunities.
After coffee ripens, we will do what we couldn't achieve before, because we will sell the coffee harvest to the production company. Then we will get the money to help us in our daily lives.
Not only that, we support children, girls, who did not have the opportunity to go to complete their school because of financial problems. We teach them skills. We started a training center whereby girls and single mothers are going to study the skills and learn tailoring, and they go out and get jobs and be able to sustain themselves.